Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English with Harendra. Today I want to share something. Do you want to speak English? You don't have idea. You don't have how to practice every day. You don't know what to do, what not to do. So today I will share everything by which you can improve a lot. Today I am share my own journey because I have a experience. That is why I will tell you everything. So yes, let's get start the video. You don't have idea how to speak English, so today I will tell you. You have to start. You learn some grammar, basic foundation. You have to build a basic foundation, yani basic sentence, how to make a sentence, which type of sentence how to make, and modal verbs. So many things you have a idea how to make a these type of sentence. You have to lot of collection. After that you can speak English. Yes, I am saying right. So first you have to learn sentences how to make. Second thing, you have to learn something every day and repeat in front of camera, in front of mobile recording. Yes, you hear right. You uh, repeat all these things, what you read, what you learn, and what you remember. You have to repeat in front of camera. Third thing is that you try to speak a one topic. You have to choose one topic, then you try to speak 3 to 4 line this topic. Yes, what will happen, you are doing these activity every day, your confidence will be boost. Your confidence will be boost. You feel very comfortable with this language because confidence is matter. You have a confidence, you can speak English, you can share your thought in front of lot of people. Second and fourth thing, you make a video, then you have watch this video again and again and find out your mistake. Yes, mistake your friend, not enemy. Yes, I uh, yes, you hear right. So you find out what mistake. After that, remove these mistakes. Again, you have to make this type of video. So take care. Bye bye. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो.